First thing I want to show you guys is, see how it says that it's fall, but if you look out the window, it's definitely not. So we are going to take a look inside this 250 subscriber giveaway box. We have gotten to our goal, guys, so it's time to do the giveaway. I will post a link to the short in the description of this video. That's the video that you need to leave a comment in and also be a subscriber in order to enter for this giveaway. I'll review that again at the end of this video. And let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay guys, so this is a pretty great giveaway. These are Lisa Frank stickers. This is back. These are from the 80s, guys, and I just can't even. They have these at Dollar Tree for $1.50 here in Canada. I haven't heard anybody talk about hauling them in the States, so if you are the lucky winner and you're American, congrats. You do have to be either American or Canadian to enter this giveaway. and hopefully I would like it if the winner could contact me within 7 days to let me know your address for the shipping, or else we will redraw a winner. This is a True North, and the Sherpa lining on this is so nice. This is actually from Dollarama, which is another dollar store here in Canada where everything's $5 or less. But I think everything else in this giveaway is from Dollar Tree, true to our Dollar Tree style. And here's Mojo coming in to say hello. Hi, Moji. We're sitting on the floor here on our new Five Below rug. She's blessing the package here for you guys. Okay, so we've got lots of makeup. Everybody's been going crazy for all of this Ione stuff. So what I did was I collected as much of it as I could to put in this for you guys, for those of you who can't make it to the Dollar Tree or haven't found those products in your store. I really thought these Day of the Dead line was super cute, and if anybody wins this and wants to give some of these things away that they may not want or use in their own giveaway, I will not be offended by that. This is from Dollar Tree. It's a Canadian gourmet chocolate brand, so that's something Canadian that will be in there for you if you are an American winner. It says right here, made for Quebec, Montreal, Quebec. All this stuff will have English and French on it too, because it came from Canada here. So, and just throwing in a little pack of these Uno Go cards. I thought this was such a good find at Dollar Tree, and I bought multiple packs for stocking stuffers. And my son has learned how to play since I got those, and he's obsessed with it. So, and I also put one of these in just because I don't know, every time I see these and the avocado ones, I want one. So I got one just to throw in here. Let me know what your favorite thing in this giveaway is in the comments below. I know a lot of you had said from my last giveaway, your favorite thing was this wooden brush. So I got my butt back to the Dollar Tree before they were gone and added one to this giveaway for you guys. So once again, the deadline is going to be Friday, today is the 31st, so November 3rd. I'll post the winner, and I will link in the description the shorts video that you need to comment on in order to enter and also be a subscriber. So we will see you on Friday. Good luck, everybody. Stay frugal.